beautiful skirts have come for you guys. Have a look.
It's so gorgeous. And if you want, if the top is too long for you, like this top would be perfect for a jeans, but if you want to wear it with a skirt, you can wear it as is, or you can make it into a crop top very quickly.
You can add these to any of your Navratri outfits to make them wow.
So these are four skirts under 1,000. This is the second one. Just see the blueprint. It's so gorgeous, so pretty. You can wear it for your Navratri, you can wear it for any event, any function, any sort of thing. You can wear it with long kurta as well. Do not discount that. वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है as a look. The skirt is going to fit everybody from size 38 till size 48. अच्छी size range है because this is white. It does have a lining until here. नीचे तक knee length तक lining है, right above the knee lining है इसमें. The piece is super pretty. I can't stop twirling in this. Let me know what you think about it. And now I'm gonna get you some skirts which are not white, but they are just as beautiful and they're so gorgeous. Let me show you.
ये प्यारा सा blue shade है. Look at the block prints that are around it. It's so beautiful. प्यारा सा shade है. Full घेर वाली skirt है. And if this is not your color, maybe orange is the color that you should go for. This is another print in the same skirt. This you can match with the pink or an orange top.
Skirt number 3 of 4. भाई ये प्यारी सी स्कर्ट है. It's a blue indigo skirt. It looks very smart. Can you see the gota lining at the bottom? बहुत प्यारी सी gota lining है. Along with that you get this beautiful border, the skirt, the prints, the fit is so beautiful. Even the shirt looks amazing with this. It's a very pretty embroidered shirt. आप कुछ भी order कर सकते हो इनमें से, but everything looks so beautiful, so well put together. I think this would be the perfect outfit for all of your Navratra. Like, look at this. Look at the घेर. इसका घेर बहुत अच्छा है. It looks very beautiful. However you want, you can style it. Just see. Beautiful piece. And then I have the fourth skirt. Fourth skirt भी बहुत beautiful है. Let me quickly come near and show you.
Skirt number 3 is an amazing indigo skirt with these chota prints. Now you can wear them without crop top.
The fourth and final skirt of the day. बहुत प्यारी सी full घेर skirt I have for you. It's a beautiful skirt. Again, all these 4 skirts are going to fit you all. 38 to 48 is the size range. The length is quite good. You can wear it with a choli. You can wear it with blouses. You can wear it with this kind of a black crop top with embroidery. You can wear it with anything and everything. Wear some nice chunky jhumkas or some nice silver oxidized earrings with these and your gold. बहुत प्यारी लगती है, बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful सा twirl है. I think you're gonna have a lot of fun wearing this. Let me know what you think about it and I'll see you all super soon. Until next time, have a great time. Bye.
The fourth and final skirt is this beautiful red skirt with these chota prints with hues of black and orange. बहुत प्यारा है. नीचे गोटा lining है. Let me know which one is your favorite. Have a happy Dandiya night. Bye.